This video will teach us how to use the Human Resource Management (HRM) functionality. There are several features we can use on the HRM, such as leave, attendance, holidays, designations, departments, payroll, etc. But for this video, we will focus on designation, department and payroll. Depending on the type and size of the business, you will have several designations such as CEO, manager, accountant, cashier, etc. These designations and much more can be created by pressing the Add button. Also, note that you also have the option to edit or delete an existing designation as may be required by your business. We can also create departments. This is also based on the size of the organization. You must go to the department on your HRM dashboard and press Add. A new window pops out. Once you complete the fields and click Save, the new department is automatically created. Finally, every organization should have a proper payroll in place. You can click Add on your dashboard if you don't have a payroll. If you recall our lesson on users, where you were taught how to input your employee details, you must have included the employee bank details and salary amount. This information comes in handy now. If you need to know the payroll for your staff, click Action on the pop-out, click View, and the payroll with the full details of your employee automatically generates. You can also take the print of that page by clicking on the Print button. If you liked our video, then please share it and subscribe to our channel. Bye.